Welcome to study.com. Are you looking to pass your teacher certification exam? Well, you're in the right place. My name is Jeff Calariso. I am a test prep expert and a former teacher. And in this video, we're going to teach you how to use study.com's personalized, customizable test prep programs in order to efficiently prepare for your teacher certification exam. So why should you trust us? Well, know that 92% of test preppers who use study.com pass their exam. 92%. How do we do it? Well, the site is simple, it's personalized, it's customized exactly for what you, the learner, need in order to pass your exam. We use a four-pronged approach. We're going to go over each one of these prongs in depth in this video. First up, personalized study plans. Second, practice. Third, targeted instruction. And fourth, test and strategy guidance. All right, let's go through each one of those in a little more detail. Okay, let's talk about those personalized study plans. So you probably don't like studying things that you already know. I know I don't. Like, you want to know, where am I weak and how can I focus on learning in those areas? So when you start your study.com test prep course, it's going to look like this. You're going to have a chance to do a diagnostic test. This diagnostic test will basically customize your program for you. So let me show you what this looks like. So you jump into the quiz. It's 30 questions long. You can end at any point. And you'll see questions that are structured just like the question types that you will see on the exam. So you can go through, answer these questions. Let me do that and then jump back out. All right, now I took that test and now I can see that my study priorities have been set. So you can see there's areas with a high priority, a medium, a low, and then some areas that just weren't covered enough in the test. So I can go in and practice those areas to figure out how much do I need to study in those areas. So this allows you to really target your studying to those areas in which you are weakest, and it will adapt as you go. It will learn from your progress and continue to put in front of you the things that you need the most help with. Sometimes all I really want to do is just focus on practice questions. Just go through a bunch of questions and just get some comfort with the types of questions I'm going to see, the format of the questions, and the material that's going to be on my test. So here you can do that. Go to the custom practice section. And you can see that it's broken up my practice into a couple different ways to do it. There's retrying the questions that I missed the first time I saw them, or more personalized practice based on sections of the test or areas of the test that the adaptive learning platform has identified as need areas for me. You can also go back and see results of past practice attempts and go through those results. But let's say I want to click into here. I can go through question by question. If I miss it this time, it will show me an explanation. I can go through the whole assessment. I can end at any time. The other thing you can do, if we go back to the study guide, is you can go through a full-length practice test. So this test is designed to mimic the same format of test that you will see on your test day. We recommend that you do this in one sitting if you can. That just further helps you to get used to taking a test start to finish like you'll have to do. This test has all of the content you'll see on the test. So this is all different question types, really everything that you will need to feel like you've done a full practice test, including a timer. You can also skip questions and then jump back to those skip questions later. And when you're done, you can see a detailed analysis of your results. All right, next let's talk about targeted instruction. So we're here looking at the Praxis Middle School Social Studies exam. So that is test code 5089. That's an exam, like a lot of these tests, that cover a ton of material. This one covers basically all of U.S. history, a bunch of world history, geography, economics. It's a lot. So there's probably some element of that you want to review the content for before you take your exam. So there's a few different ways to do that. If we click on the Learning tab, you can see right at the top, our priorities are right here. So the things that the adaptive learning platform has identified as the areas that I need to study the most, it's putting in front of me. And I can go through those lessons, watch those videos, study that content first. If you prefer to just kind of go through everything, the whole course, you can do that. So you can see here, I can just toggle to all lessons. If I want to go kind of section by section, let's say I wanted to really focus on geography, and that was my priority right now. I could do that, and I could just focus on that one area. You can also access the full course by clicking on the Course tab, which is right here. And this, again, just has all of the content. You can go through it chapter by chapter, lesson by lesson, if you prefer. But I want to really focus my study on geography. Let's say I want to study continental drift. So I can click here. I can see this lesson. See how it's engaging visual lesson with some good animation. It's going to teach me the concepts that I need to learn in order to pass this part of the test. Do you know the material for your test? Great. Do you know the test format? Okay, great. What about strategy? What is your strategy? This is really maybe one of the more undervalued areas of prepping for a test, really having a focused strategy for how to handle the ins and outs of your test. But on study.com, that test strategy is really built into the whole learning platform. So as you go through practice questions, the explanation of those questions will include not just the how to get to the answer of the question, but also some tips, some strategy that you can apply to future questions. Also, if you're planning to take a practice test, you can just read through general strategy tips for the overall course and then apply that as you go through the practice test. Test it out on the practice test. And then when you go to take your actual exam, that will be something that you've not only seen, but had a chance to really practice with over time. Teachers know better than anyone that there is not just a one-size-fits-all approach to learning. And at study.com, we are really proud of the fact that we're able to help thousands of teachers each year to pass their exams and move into new roles or into elevated roles in education. So check out below for more information, including some additional test info, some sample practice questions. And if this was helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. And also think about becoming a study.com member. Good luck on your exam.